Hi, this is Debra Sayble-Thornbrugh, and in this video I'm going to introduce Unit 7 for our CSIT 125 Word class. On my screen I've already logged into Blackboard and I've clicked into the Unit 7 page. Unit 7 talks about more advanced features in working with tables and modifying graphics. In working with tables, you're going to learn about two basic areas. First of all, how a table looks, in which you can customize the layouts, and what a table contains and how that information is displayed in the table, how to customize that content. One of the things you're going to do in Unit 7 is work with something called formulas. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Microsoft Excel software. It's a spreadsheet software, but a lot of the same formulas that you use in Excel can also be used in a Word table. So you're going to learn how to do some of those formulas. Now, I'm not talking about anything really intense or complicated. I'm just talking about basic formulas that calculate numbers, add them up for you, that kind of thing. Nothing very extensive or complex. So you're going to learn how to work with a few basic formulas and functions in the table. And here is a picture of an example of that. Here we have some names over here on the left and some dollar amounts on the right, and the formula that was used to create this total amount here of $225 was something called the Autosum Formula. It's a very easy formula that just instantly adds up a whole column of numbers, either directly above or to the left or to the right. So you're going to learn how to do that. And here you don't see the formula. What you see here is the result of the formula. So the formulas are kind of hidden in the background. As for the advanced graphic features, you're going to learn how to work with special effects and artistic effects, which are a little bit different from special picture effects. You're going to learn how to crop them, how to turn them into different shapes, and all kinds of actually kind of fun stuff to do. So in this example here on my screen, I have a plain photograph here on the top, and then on the bottom is that same photograph from Word using several different special effects to make it really look interesting on the page. The skills covered in this unit are listed here in very specific list here. We've got you're going to sort, work with formulas, tabs and indents, text direction, table properties, cell margins. You're going to learn how to use nested tables, how to split up tables and cells, how to enhance the table design with special styles, shading, and borders. For pictures, you're going to, of course, learn how to use the special advanced effects, visual effects. You're also going to work with shapes, how to create them, group them together as one unit, how to align them on the page to make them be put exactly where you want them to go. And these are the shapes that you draw on the page, things like circles, squares, stars, happy faces, the kinds of automatic shapes that Word has. The summary of the tasks you're going to do in Unit 7 is here. You're going to read Chapter 7, and you don't have to do the Let Me Try tutorials. I do recommend that you do the Let Me Try tutorials in the SimNet version of the chapter if you can. If you're not able to do that, then at least as you read Chapter 7, stop and do the pause and practice exercises that are within that chapter. Doing the pause and practice exercises can help you learn the material and also prepare you for the project you're going to be doing. Also, you're going to watch two videos that I made for you that are here in Blackboard. One video deals with how to work with formulas and advanced tools in a table, and I'm sorry, one video deals just with the formulas, and the other video deals with the using advanced tools in a table, such as nesting a table and that sort of thing. When you're done watching the two videos, you're going to go into Blackboard, into Discussion 7, and you're going to create a single page Word document that shows your own example of how you know how to use formulas after watching the videos and reading the chapter. You're going to upload that into Blackboard. That will be graded. And also, of course, you're going to complete a major project using Word 2016 and upload it here into Blackboard. Now, as we scroll over to the assignment instructions page, this is the page that has the detailed instructions on what to do for Unit 7. Of course, first is the information about reading, which chapter to read, and then here are the links to the two videos I was talking about. These videos were made using Word 2013, however, the formulas and the advanced table tools are the same in 2016 as they were done in 2013, so these two videos are still valid. So you can just click into them here. Then this is just here a reminder of that you need to do the discussion 7 for this unit and the project. The project is found on page W7 448 in your textbook. It's called Independent Project 7-4. It's going to have you modify a memo that contains the weekly expenses of an animal shelter. You're going to work with a table, formulas, you're going to insert and modify a picture. Now, if you require any extra help, if you would like some extra help, you can click this link right here, Working with Graphics. That takes you to a website I found that I think has some value and might be able to give you some different kinds of insights in working with graphics. And here at the very bottom, it just tells you how many points everything is worth. The project itself is worth 40 points. The discussion upload file you're going to do is worth 10 points. And so that's a total of 50 points for Unit 7. When you're ready to upload and submit your project, please remember to come back here to the Unit 7 pages and you'll find the link to upload your work. If you have any questions, please remember to email me, and please get started as soon as you can on this unit so that you're not stuck doing it at the last minute. And if you have questions, I'll have time to answer them for you. Thank you.